Please open DroidKit and select Data Extractor from System Crash Device function. Please select the type of data that you'd like to extract, and then please click Start button. Please refer to instructions as interface to put your Android device into recovery mode. Then, please click Next button. Please enter the PDA code in the box. After that, please click Download Firmware button. The program starts downloading the firmware package. Please keep your device connected all the time. After downloading the firmware, please put your device into download mode. There are 3 ways to put your device into download mode. Please choose one way based on your device status. After putting your device into download mode, please click Next button. Then, DroidKit will automatically start repairing your Android system. Please wait for a moment. The device system has been fixed successfully. Please click Scan Now button to scan the device data. Once the device is detected, please click Next button. Please choose the data and then extract the data to the computer or the device. Please confirm the formats of the data and then click Continue button. The data has been recovered successfully now. After clicking View Files option, you can check the recovered data.